Gold cups on the dresser, truth on your tongue. We fight like legends, lose like the young. Fashion week lovers on a counterfeit high. You say come over, then you ask me why. We throw our secrets on designer rugs. Kiss like strangers, drink like thugs. Gold cup confession, raw and insane. Luxury heartbreak, running in our veins. You speak in diamond, I reply in scars. Gold cup confession, written in our bars. Your skin tastes like late night sin. Penthouse lies under city skin. Your whispers velvet, your anger steel. We trade our hearts for what we feel. All this glamour can't hide the bruise, but we keep choosing what we choose. Go